need to add an administrator to your LinkedIn company page, then this video is helpful for you. In this video, I am going to show you how easy it is to add or delete admins from your LinkedIn company page. I am Bashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. And now I will tell you and I will also show you how you can add or remove admins from your LinkedIn company page. So just you need to click on home, and now there is a two-way to find your LinkedIn company page. On your left hand side now you can see that company pages are available, and second way is just click on me and just scroll down, and now different pages are available. Select your page. And now you can see that this is my LinkedIn company page, Pakistani Agile Marketing. You can also follow my LinkedIn company page. So after this, you just need to click on admin tools. And here is admin tools available. You just need to click on admin tools and scroll down. You just need to click on manage admins. And now here you can add admins and also remove admins. You just need to click on admin, and here you can find the name. For example, I am adding Abdul Shakur. You can also assign the admin role. For example, if you want super admin, if you want content admin, if you want to analyst, so you can select admin according to your requirement. For this case, I am just clicking the super admin and save it, and now you can see that. And you can also see the page as an admin view. And now for example, you want to remove that person, you just need to click on your company page. So now here is a company page, and next time you just need to click on admin tools and manage admins. And if you want to delete that admins from group, you just need to click on remove admin from this page. So just click on remove, and in this way you can add admins or remove from your LinkedIn company page. Hope you understand. If you have any query or question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you very much.